Alright, what is going on everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video what I got going on for you guys, I do want to discuss the Jordan 4 Craft since I did get my pair in from Nike right here. And we are going to be discussing if the sneaker is underrated, overrated, where I think it will go in price since this one is pretty low in price. And we have a couple videos coming down the line, discussing some sneakers that have recently dropped. So just stay tuned on the channel next couple days. Going to be some very helpful stuff for you guys. So if you want more content like this, check my Instagrams. And don't forget, you can also check us out at Hype Labs down below. Go see our Twitter. We got the new support team and so many other things, Autofill 2 on the way, and much more. And again, you can just go check our IG for all of those different details. And of course, if you're interested in joining, getting daily undermarket deals, backdoors, different early sneaker release info, bypass links for snipes, we had a ton of success on that this morning. You'll be able to see that on our Instagram very shortly. So just click this, join the waitlist, and that's all you guys will have to do. It'll direct you to here. You can click this join button and see everything that is offered right here. So a ton of stuff for you guys to profit off and really expand your reselling game, be with a great community that can really just teach you more. That's what it's about. So check us out, join that down below, and that's really everything I need to say. And again, you'll be charged once accepted, all our socials. You can see some reviews here too, so you know we're 100% legit. Again, a bunch of 5 stars, so you know we're always helping people out. And again, always helping you source stock. That's one of the main things. So let's get started. So we'll discuss pricing on these in a second, but the first thing we're going to go over is the overall design and how these sneakers look. So first detail I will go over, aside from the sneakers, which I will discuss in a second, let's just go over the box really quick. So again, you can see normal Jordan 4 box, except you got the Flight logo across here with, I guess this is kind of like a, not like a, I don't even know how to describe this color. It's like, yeah, it's like a vanilla. They said it's pale vanilla. That's what it says right here in the box, but kind of like this vanilla Jumpman that kind of goes, through the Flight logo, which is kind of nice. And then of course you can see it did hit size 11.5, but overall pretty simple box, nothing too crazy, very simple details. So let me get into showing you guys this Jordan 4. And now the stock on this Jordan 4, I just want y'all to know, was very high. Hence why the prices have dropped down all the way to $250. And it's a great time if you want the personal pair, buy it right now. It's a good point. Same with Geo sizes in these. Geo sizes in these are at like 150, 170. That's a great point to buy in for these because that's very low. Like think about the infrared 4s. Those went down to like retail like grade school sizes and very close to retail and adult sizes. Now go look at them. They're not anywhere near that. So if you try, I guess my simple point is that you shouldn't sleep on the low prices, especially with the grade school 4s. I'm going to be definitely buying these up in grade school sizes because I could easily see them being 200 plus down the line because again, it is a pretty nice Jordan 4. I mean, there's a couple things that I think aren't like super great about it. Like overall, I think certain like parts of the sneaker don't fit super well together, and I'm kind of going to point out what I mean here. So again, you can see the suede. The suede goes all around the toe box, and my question just kind of with the suede going all around the toe box is, why didn't they just make the full toe box suede? Like, I mean, I get that they're using like different materials and different themes, hence why it's called the Craft 4, and it's like a bunch of different materials crafted together. Like that's kind of what I've gotten from the shoe, at least with a basic understanding of it and just kind of looking at it. You can see like there's a lot of different and like kind of shared materials that go around this sneaker. You kind of notice that and kind of same with that theme of colorways, or not colorways, theme of colors that also go around the sneaker. You got the vanilla Jumpman, you got it also right here, the vanilla Air Jordan logo, also on the inside of the tongue. Then right here on the front, you got the vanilla Jumpman. You also got kind of like these slightly, not really, like again, that one doesn't look really good. That kind of looks like some like pasta noodles that haven't been cooked yet. See, that's just like one of the parts of the shoe that throws me off. I wish these looked a little bit different. Maybe they could have just like kept those gray or something, but maybe that would have thrown it off. Again, I'm just kind of like throwing ideas out there that I kind of see maybe could be different on the shoe. But overall, there's that's one of the main things, is that this choice material that they used, kind of like this like cheaper, it doesn't really seem like it's very like nice, like kind of like a cheaper leather almost that goes around the toe box of the shoe. And you already have the suede here. Why not just make the full toe box suede, or like the full portion of the sneaker suede? But I understand it is a Craft 4, and you can see like they have different portions of the shoe that are suede material, and then this leather material, and then they also have different material here on the tongue. So I mean, you have a different variety of ones that have kind of been crafted together on this Jordan 4, if that makes sense. So another detail I will show you all also is the sole of the sneaker. Very basic. You can see all the details there. You got matching portions right here, vanilla, and then you kind of got this darker gray, and then a lighter gray, and then a white colorway right there. So it all fits together well. Both the soles are the exact same from what I know. Neither one is different. So there you go. You can see matching details on those, and then also matching details right here by the heel for you guys. You can check that out as well. But overall, do I think the Craft 4s are a little bit overrated? I actually think they've dropped right to their correct amount. Like right now at 250, 270, like even the bigger sizes going for like 270-ish. I'm gonna be honest, I think that's fair. I don't think there is any error, any issue, nothing like that, because it's been very, very, fairly priced in my opinion. I think these being around $250, $270 right now makes sense, because once you get it in hand, you're like, all right, it isn't as good as I thought it would be. That's honestly what I thought of these. Like when I got them in hand, I was like, they're good, they're nice, but they're not quite as nice as maybe the pictures were. But it still is a great pair, and a lot of people will eventually be wanting. Someone got up too early. But yeah, it wasn't quite what I thought it would be. So kind of understanding that, I mean, it did throw me off a little bit, but still a great pair. Eventually down the line will be $300 plus, $350. But this one is very high stock. Keep in mind too, like unless you're holding like bulk amounts or focusing on grade school only and getting like 10 pairs of them, I wouldn't really recommend holding on to this one. It's just not worth it to only hold 1, 2, 3 pairs of these. It just isn't. I mean, unless you're trying to stack inventory and like have a bunch of variety, then I get that, but you're really not going to make much if like you were to buy into these for like $250, $260 right now and then wait a little bit. Like it won't go up that quickly. Like there's a lot of pairs of these. There's a lot of people that are going to quick sell them, and the market's kind of going to be all over the place. So if you want to check out the grade school sizes, that's fine. And we'll get into that right now. I'm actually going to flip my screen recording back to right here. So we're done with the kind of little small, I guess, unboxing and review portion. You saw all the parts of the sneaker. Again, the insole as well, very, very basic detail. You can see the vanilla Jumpman and then kind of that darker gray outlining on the insole. So yeah, again, very simple, still nice details. It's a good looking 4. I mean, I could see it being 300 plus just because Jordan 4s are so hyped right now. But if we look at current prices, again, you can see between $250 to $270. And look, 12 and a half at $230? Nah, this has got to be wrong. Actually, what? No way. What are the reasons? Why are 12 and a half selling like at retail price? Like, you see what I mean? Some of these sizes are selling at retail price. It should not be selling at retail price. They're very close. Like 12 and a half is one of the most like more rare sizes for Jordan 4s, or less produced sizes for sneakers in general. Like it'll go for much more down the line. So I'm very surprised to see these at $230 per. Yeah, just again, you can buy these up right now for $230 to $270, I guess. $260. I wouldn't say $270. And guess, I don't know what that word was. That's just not a word. I meant to say guess. But yeah, buy into it for $230, $260 right now. Hold until $300 to $350, and yeah, you'll be good. I mean, this is a sneaker that could definitely reach that point. It's just going to take a bit, kind of like the Lightning 4s. It's going to take a really long time to rise, but this is very low, so you'll at least make some money sooner or later off that rise. And even with the grade school ones right now, look, between $170, $160, it's a great investment opportunity. Not at retail price, just because again, Jordan 4s and grade school sizes don't really do that, but these ones 200 plus soon, yeah, probably sooner or later. And even though again the pair does not like hit fully how we expected, it's not as good as we thought it would be, it still is a nice pair, and there still is some great details to it, and definitely some demand. There's still some demand, because people, hey, the cheaper this one gets, the more they're going to buy it, and, the more it'll rise in the future. So I'm seeing that, these sell really well on StockX right now. It does make me, kind of, look at the sneaker a little bit more as a whole, especially 12 and a halfs at $230. Like, geez, that is a super shock to me. I mean, I did not expect that. But if y'all want more content like this, check my Instagrams, any of that. Go get with us at Hype Labs and join that wait list down below. Again, you can see everything that is offered right here. One-on-one support, so we can teach you how to buy. A great community, early info, Snipes bypass links. You can bypass Q and get straight to checkout. We also have daily in-the-market deals and backdoors, so you can make profit off those. We have a middleman service coming today, and so many other things. Weekly calls to help you out. And that is really all I need to mention right there. So go join us, check our reviews also, so you know we're legit. We are always trying to help people out, and that is it. And look, even this guy that joined 3 days ago, and boom, he's already paid for himself. So yeah, there you go. It could literally take a day, but that's it. So utilize what we got, and we'll help you out, and check our socials down below. So I'm ending this. I'm Tristan. Thank you guys, and hopefully I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.